Hi, good day. Thank you for staying here and watching our tutorial, KPCMS tutorial. So last video, we discussed the parts of the case profile, how to generate forms using this button, and then how to change status, and also the case history. So in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to operate kung ang inyong case is na forward dito sa conciliation. Because as you notice, this one has already have this orange color na status which says conciliation. Okay? So before you proceed, you notice also the period of hearing wala pa, and also ang atong conciliators wala pa. So nga naman na siya. Well, kung nakadumdum pa mo sa tong orientation with KP katarungan pambarangay, before nato makakuha conciliator, kinahanglan magpadala sa taog notice for constitution of pangkat. Kinahanglan tagaan nato og forms or notice for constitution of pangkat ang atong complainant o respondent para magpili sila kung kinsa nga mga pangkat members ang ilang pilion para maghusay sa ilang kaso. So first is mao ni siya, when you click the form, i-pop up kita sa kaninga window, date of hearing kanus aman ta mag-hearing. So let's say on Monday, pizza cheese, okay? And then the time will be 8, let's say 8:30 a.m. And again, oops, this is 8. And again, don't forget to set a click set. Yan. And for the venue, by default is Barangay Hall. Okay? So once we click proceed, redirect kita sa atong forms. And if you notice, ang atong logo is a bit off. Ni overlap siya sa atong header. That's because ang atong margin is not minimum. Okay? So if you see misalignments here, you just tweak the margins because sometimes there are forms na maayos siya sa default, maayos siya sa none or minimum. You just click the options here and see if it is already been aligned. Okay? So yan. So once we have submitted and printed the notice for constitution of pangkat, we can now add our conciliator. But when we do click here, wala tayong makita ng lupon. Why is that? Because wala pa man ta nag-add during our registration of this account, wala pa atong gi-enter nga mga lupon members. So asa man ta mag-enter og lupon members? Diri kita sa directory. On the left side, the navigation bar, you click directory, and this one it has 2. I don't know why it has 2, but this should be 1 lang. I'll check the code. But we can add member here, and we're going to add lupon members. Okay, let's say this is a generic input name. You just input lang yung mga required fields. Yan, so I have one. And then last, because we need 3, okay, so naanata. And also here you will see the name, the gender, civil status, permanent address, terms of office, number of cases handled. Mag-add ni siya din pag na-incorporate siya sa isa ka case or na-assign siya sa isa ka case. So cases settled tapos unsettled. And also the position. All action, you can edit the name or you can delete. Okay? So let's go back to our conciliation table and then view this one. So once we have our lupon registered, we can now add conciliator. Okay? So send a notice to constitution of pangkat. We already done this, but in case mangayo ang form or ang system outro, then ato lang i-follow because actually dapat naghimo sa taglupon before ta nagprint. But anyway, we will do this. Ayan. Okay. Once you have that, close and then add conciliator. You will see now the 3 lupon members. Now you need to select 3 of them because kung duhara, mag-error ang system. Or if isa ra, kinahanglan tulog yun na. Okay? So, click add 3. There you go. Nanatay conciliators. And then, hearing na. Nanatay conciliators. Ayan no. Date of constitution of pangkat is 10. Okay? Tapos, mag-add na ta og hearing. Sa 10 man siya, dapat pila to ka days before. I can't remember but I think it's 30 days. Pero dapat sulod sa pag-constitute o pangkat, dapat makahearing na. So, we'll just pick tomorrow. Okay. This is 8:30 a.m. Set. Save. Okay. So, there you go. Period of hearing is June 11 to July 10. So, this is 30 days. Automatically na-add na siya. Okay. So, after that, notice to choosing pangkat member will also be sent to the conciliators. Tagaan na silag notice nga ikaw ang napili nga mo constitute. Mo appear ka sa pizza 11. Alas 8 kay mauna ang atong hearing. Alas 8:30. Okay, you click set, print, and then kani siya. Tulo dayon ni ka-copy. So isa ra nimo ka-click, tulo ka copy, sign na lang dayon. Okay, and then pa-receive. And so on and so forth. Notice of hearing, conciliation, subpoena, etc. The fields are here. Inyuhan na lang ni i-explore. But same lang na siya. This will give you forms. Okay, you just follow the fields, the required fields, and don't forget to click set kaya di gid na siya mo proceed. Okay? So, I guess that's it for the conciliation. On the next video, i-try na to pag-transfer ni siya kay kaning case wala gyud ni ma-settle sa conciliation, which then will be transferred to arbitration. So, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.